Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did this exact same video yesterday, and a viewer or subscriber sent me a really great tip that I never had known before. So I'm going to do it the way I did yesterday. I contoured this thing 0.09, and I got these sharp edges, and he suggested don't do something else and you don't have to use a smoothing tool. So we're going to contour this one 0.09, but I never had noticed these right here. If you select rounded corners, it will automatically round the corners of your contour. That's pretty slick. I never had noticed these before. I guess I never looked at them. So let's just take that a little bit further. Let's make a star, and then let's make a duplicate of it, Control D, and let's zoom in here so you can see it better. So at default, it is set on the mitered corners. Hit apply. But on this one, just move this to rounded corners, and it will round the corners. That's a really great tip, and I really appreciate it. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.